stuck inside.
Estamos limpiando la máquina que no limpiaron ayer.
I don't get the shit out. Just this.
La cantidad de mierda que tenía.
You gotta clean the shit out. Shit. I don't clean the grass, the shit out of it. Shit. That's a cover the grass and shit in there. Looks like that